folks. So we bought this new house, and this house comes with a combination of hardwood floor and carpets. And this is the only area of the house where there's a vent right on the hardwood floor. And the issue that we are having is we have this guy, and he likes to watch people, watch other dogs here. And you can see the size of nails this guy has, and his nails sometimes get caught in this crate. So this vent has these slits, and they are not ideal when you have a dog. So we wanted to find a solution which looks pretty and gets rid of this issue that we have when our dog tries to get up. He kind of like grabs the vent and it just flies off. So we'll try to take care of that right now. You can stay if you want to. I'm going to change the crate. Okay, so this is an ARIA vent, and you can buy this for various sizes. So this is a 4x10 vent. So all this does is it just goes right in here. Okay, so what you can actually do is take this portion out. And you can put in this hardwood floor right into this portion. So the steps are kind of very easy. So let's take this guy out so you can fill this. And these are your vents. So the more you open your vent, the more air comes out. So I'm trying to fix this issue by using certain spacers. So I have these spacers. I'm going to use some of these. Okay, so I'm going to use E6000 over here. So these are just foam pads. So I'm just going to put, and temporarily I'm going to use these tapes to hold them here. Let's see if one of these guys takes care of this. Okay, so that is enough. So now this guy is not moving. Okay, so we have this part. So the instruction says we're going to put some filler boards and then one of these hardwood boards that are matching hardwood boards. So we can just use glue and just stick it in there. So use appropriate glue, whatever glue matches your material that you're using. Okay, so I'm putting the first board in. Okay, the second board in. So now that the two MDF boards are here, and this is my final piece, that is a hardwood. So I'm going to gently place it in. So I want this to be flush, so all I'm doing is I'm going to reverse it. Okay, so now this guy is flush with all the four sides. That's it. So this is how it's going to look later on. So I'm not going to press right now. I want the glue to dry, so it takes 24 hours. So after 24 hours, I'm going to put this back in here, but this is the overall look. So now you see that this kind of like matches the hardwood floor that we have here, and our dog will not be able to damage this and damage himself in the process. And this looks really pretty too. So go ahead and do this. It's kind of very easy. Takes less than 20 minutes. So our dog likes it too. So it's kind of very pretty as well. It matches the floor, looks really nice. The black matches the darker hardwood floor that we have. And I guess now he can't damage his nails by getting stuck in this crate. Hi Cosmo, do you like the vent? Looks really nice.